Hi, welcome back and welcome if you're new. I'm going to plan today for the week beginning the 23rd through to the 29th of September, and I'll be using the Out of the Woods Hobonichi Cousin Kit from Coffee Monsters Co. I have 3 sheets with this kit, so this is the first sheet, full boxes and some doodle banners, and then the second sheet you get your weekend banner and some labels, and the third sheet you get your bottom washi and some more labels and some checklists. And then as well as that, I'm going to be using the doodles that go with it. These are actually on washi paper, as well as the Out of the Woods emoji sticky notes. And I thought these day headers were perfect. They're little logs. They're also from Coffee Monsters Co. And I have this brand new washi that I just received, and it's perfect because it goes with this theme. And then I'm going to be using the Zebra Sarasa Grand in 0.5 in Sepia Black, and a Zig Clean Colour Dot marker in 602 Oatmeal.
Where is the line between dreaming and feeling blue? It's 4 o'clock in the evening, I haven't left my room, but the truth is, if I'm honest, I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Pull the sheets over my head, hoping change is gonna find me. You don't have to remind me I'm doing nothing at all. I'm ruminating on a blank wall, but I feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? Can you tell me what I need? Can you tell me what you see in me? I just feel stuck here in the middle. Am I one of those crazy people? Should I stay here or should I let go? Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
The next step is to put in the plans, and I'm going to start by using some labels within the kit to get my initial plans down.
That I can't seem to find. When I go to reach it, just leaves my mind. Waking with a note. How could a poem hold the way I see your soul?
And now I'm going to finish off the spread with some final touches, just using some stickers from my main collection and the little doodle stickers that are left on the Forest Biome washi sticker sheet.
All the colors, all the feeling, all the wonder of your being. I slip into a cold and step outside. A dark and quiet road appears out of the smoke. It leads me to a valley, secret emerald grove of cedar trees.